Get a feel for the 2023 Acura Integra. You'll be loving life in this premium-feeling Acura Integra. Boldly stylish and super exciting to drive, it offers an ideal blend of performance, luxury, versatility, and efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, power passenger seat, active suspension, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Don't miss out on the fun you could be having in this sporty Integra. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.